Manifesting with affirmations is a process of reprogramming your subconscious mind to focus on the positive aspects of your desires and to believe that they are possible to achieve. Here are some steps to follow to effectively use affirmations for manifestation. Set a clear intention. Before you begin using affirmations, it's important to set a clear and specific intention for what you want to manifest. Write down your goal or desire in a concise and positive statement. Choose positive affirmations. Affirmations should be positive, present tense, and specific. Write down affirmations that align with your intention and that feel good when you repeat them. Repeat your affirmations daily. Affirmations work best when they are repeated consistently. Set aside time each day to repeat your affirmations out loud or silently to yourself. Believe in your affirmations. Your affirmations should feel true to you and you should believe that they are possible to achieve. Visualize yourself already having achieved your desire and feel the positive emotions that come with it. Take inspired action. While affirmations are powerful tools for manifestation, it's important to take action towards your desires as well. Take inspired action towards your goals and trust that the universe will support you. Remember that manifesting with affirmations is a process and it may take time to see results. Stay consistent and trust that your desires are on their way to you.